guys, just received a parcel with Nails by Annabel. I'm switching my system over to Glitterbels and so far it's been amazing. So this come this morning, so I just thought I'd do an unboxing. So here we are, our little packages. So I've ordered some gel polishes. I'll do another video with acrylics that I got before as well, because I've got the Glitterbels start kit. So I've got this one, which is Purple Sparkle. I'll do some swatches on them in a moment. And then we've got Gold Hollow Sparkle. I've got to open and have a little nosy look at these. Let's see. Oh wow, that is amazing. Bottles are so cute as well, aren't they? Look at that. Love it, love it, love it. Right, this one, isn't that just divine? I'm starting to think autumny, Christmassy colours, you see, so I'm starting to get some colours in for that now. So this one, Ruby Ring. My little girl, this one, Ruby. Love it. Look at that. That is absolutely yummy, yummy, yummy. So, Titan. This one's nice. Wow. Look, really good quality as well, don't they? Look at that. This one is a Daydreamer. This is another one I was thinking autumny colours as well. Look, that's nice. Beautiful. So they're my polishes, and then Annabelle's just released some new brushes, and I thought I'd treat myself. So I've got, look at them. Just look at them. Can't see for light on it. Just, oh. Sit and watch that all day. That is just divine. Oh yes. I'll get them out in a minute and have a look at them. My little nail art brushes, gel brushes. And then I've got this beauty. This is a size 14 Glitterbels acrylic brush. The demand for these, I was trying to get on Annabelle's website all afternoon and all night when she released these brushes, and I couldn't get one. Couldn't get on the site. Website crashed. It was so popular. So I was lucky enough because I was after a big one, and these were the only ones that were left in stock next morning. So I got myself this brush, ordered it yesterday, and it's come today. Love it. Love it. Right then. So let's just have a little play. So my brush, let's take it out so you can have a see. I'm not going to mess about with my brushes yet because I like to prep them. But have a look. Just look at that. That is stunning. I just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. They're little pastel-y colours. It's got a name on, if you can see. That is just, I'm not going to want to do any nails anymore. I'm just going to look at brushes. Oh, it's fab. Just look at that. Oh, I'm in love. Absolutely in love. I'll just take these brushes out here. And I will be having a play later. Because when you get your nail mail, you've got to christen everything, haven't you? So, I've got this one. Nice little gel brush, that one. It's got a name on. And these are rainbow ones. The other one's a pastel-y, sparkly one. These are rainbow brushes. So I wanted to keep my gel brushes and acrylic brushes separate, so that I can identify them, because I'm easy baffled. So next one, a nice little angled brush, that one. And rainbows again. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I'm in love with them, absolutely in love with them. this one. It's a smaller angle brush. I'm going to have so much fun with these. I did some nails last night, some Burberry nails. Been struggling with foils for ages. I got them to stick, and one of them, I just wanted to put an edge on. It's nice, another little gel brush. And I decided to do a black line around it, and all my brushes are a bit rubbish. So the line that I've done round it looks really rubbish. But I've still posted them because I'm, you know, I put my pictures up on my social media because I was impressed with the fact that I've finally got a full pattern of nail to stick for foils, the Burberry ones. But, you know, I did say, just ignore my line. And it was, I think it was about 2:30 this morning I was doing that, so my vision wasn't that good anyway. There's a nice little straight brush. Beautiful. Love these. I'm impressed. If anybody touches these now, they'll get broken fingers because, you know, they're mine. So, there we go. So there's the brushes. So I'm not going to do out with them yet. When I come to do my starter kit, I'll probably have a little play with that brush and see. So I'll do some swatches. So first colour, we've got Daydreamer. I think it's, all these colours are gorgeous. I can't decide which one I like best. This one's Purple Sparkle. Just done a really, I always do a really thin coat for my first layer. That's Ruby Ring. That's Gold Hollow Sparkle. And then Titan. And then going back in for a second coat. There's little bits on me nail tips there because I buffed them up and they're a bit rough. So, but they're just for my little gel polish book. That's why I've done them on that tip. So there you go. A little bit of top coat. So I'm also using Glitterbels No Wipe top coat. It's absolutely gorgeous. So and then you'll be able to see the finished product. I absolutely love them all. So thank you all for watching. Hope it's helped you a little bit, seeing what's what out there, and please like and subscribe. Bye.